Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do workbook. Take out this book. Everyone hurry up. Take out your workbook. And page number is 23. We are going to do page number 23. This we had done previously. जो लास्ट लेक्चर हमारा हुआ था ईद से पहले, तब आपने ये वाली एक्सरसाइज की थी, ये वाला पेज क्या था, पेज नंबर 22. Now take out page number 23 of workbook. I have mentioned on the board page number 23. Everyone turn on your cameras and take out your books on page number 23. Now we have to fill these blanks with similes. हमने इन ब्लैंक्स को स्मिलीज के साथ फिल करना है. आप लोगों ने स्मिलीज पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. क्या होती हैं स्मिलीज? आर यूज्ड टू कंपेयर थिंग्स बाय यूजिंग वर्ड्स लाइक एंड और. हम और like like ये दो वर्ड्स यूज करके किन्हीं भी दो चीजों का कंपैरिजन करते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? स्मिली. सो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट दीज सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग स्मिली. Okay, I'll write on the board. Do it with me on your books. आप लोगों ने मेरे साथ ही अपनी बुक्स के ऊपर इसको फिल करते जाना है साथ साथ. ठीक है, मैं बोर्ड पे लिखूंगी और आप लोगों ने बुक्स पे फिल करना है. Now the first one is done for you. The speeding car was like an angry monster. Now यहाँ पे like का word यूज हुआ है. So the next is the red flower was, यहाँ पे भी क्या यूज हुआ है? Like. The red flower was like. Question number is 5. Question number is 5 and page number is 23. मैं सिर्फ बोर्ड पे ब्लैंक्स लिख रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर यू. सेकंड वन इज यहाँ पे आएगा ब्रेन. इन सेकंड ब्लैंक यू विल राइट ब्रेन. BRAIN brain. The soft bed was like a. Now we have to compare soft bed with feather. The soft bed was like a feather. Feather क्या होता है? तो एक पर होता है. परों की तरह soft bed क्या होता है? feather की तरह होता है. Because soft bed is also delicate, so you can write feather, noodle or flower. On third blank, the soft bed was like a. I would like to compare it with feather. Feather or flower. We are on page number 23 and question number is 5. Workbook. The soft bed was like a flower or feather. Number 4. The tree was as tall as. अब यहाँ पे as use किया गया है. The tree was as tall as a building or house. You have to compare tree with either building, BUILDING building, or a house. Number 5. My friend is as beautiful और यहाँ पे दो comparisons किए गए हैं. My friend is as beautiful as a diamond, or as bright as a diamond, or as beautiful as shining as brightness diamond. So it's depend on you कि आप कौन सा word use करते हो. I will choose beautiful. My friend is fill blank में as beautiful. And in the next one, comparison, we are comparing beauty with diamond. My friend is as beautiful as diamond. Number 6, the sun is as round as a ball. हम sun को ball और as round as a ball. So we are comparing sun with ball. I am repeating it again ताकि आप लोगों को क्लियरली समझ आ सके कौन सा वर्ड लिखा हुआ है कौन सी ब्लैंक में. First blank is done for you. We are on page number 23, question number 2. This is the page. Okay. The second blank is the red flower was like a brain. Third blank is the soft bed was like a feather or flower. In दोनों में से आप like write whatever you want, feather or flower. In fourth blank, the tree was as tall as building or house. ये तो two options में से कोई भी एक option. Number 5, my friend is as beautiful as a diamond. In one blank you will write beautiful, in other blank you will write diamond. Number 6, the sun is as round as a ball. So I hope आप लोग समझ आ रही होगी how to invent a simile. एक simile किस तरह से आप create करते हो. Simile is comparison of two things by using two words, as and like. As and like के हम ये two words use करके हम similes का comparison करते हैं. Have you done all? उसके बाद we will do next question, question number 6. In question number 6, we have to underline two similes in this poem and circle two metaphors. This is the poem. We will read this poem and we will underline two similes and two metaphors in this poem. Now, what is metaphor? Metaphor में हम directly comparison कर लेते हैं. Like you are sunshine. He's shining star. Or he's bright student. So we just compare directly the thing, but in simile we use the word like and as. So this is the difference between similes and metaphors. Metaphor में आप directly comparison state कर देते हो, इसमें आप as और like का use नहीं करते, जबकि simile में आप as और like का use करते हो two things का comparison करने के लिए. Have you done with this? Now just read this poem. I am going to read out this poem. Cell phone blues. My brother says his cell phone is truly his best friend. Mom says in that case the friendship has to end. Your phone is an intruder that interrupts us every night. It's as loud as a car horn and gives everyone a fright. My brother says, no way, Mom. I can't live without my phone. Without it, I would be just like a dog without a bone. Now, I have read this poem and we have to find out two similes and two metaphors in this poem. Now, see, in the first line, my brother says his cell phone is truly his best friend. His cell phone is truly his best friend, इस लाइन को आप सर्कल करिए. His cell phone is truly his best friend. Circle this line. ये क्या है? Metaphor है. Cell phone को directly best friend के साथ comparison किया गया है, compare किया गया है. So this is metaphor. His cell phone is truly his best friend. इसको circle कर लें. उसके बाद come to the next line. Phone is an intruder. Phone is an intruder. This is also a metaphor. Phone is an intruder. एक लाइन छोड़ के as loud as car horn, इसको आप अंडरलाइन करें. This is simile. यहाँ पे as को यूज किया गया है. As loud as a car horn. Underline this word. This line, sorry. Underline this line. As loud as car horn. In the last, a dog like a dog without a bone. अब यहाँ पे like का यूज किया गया है. So underline from here, like a dog without a bone. This is simile. I am reading again. Metaphors and similes जो आपने underline और circle करना है. In first line, his cell phone is truly his best friend. इसको circle करें. This is metaphor. His cell phone is truly his best friend. Next is phone is an intruder. इसको circle करें. This is also metaphor. Phone is an intruder. उसी के नीचे ये एक लाइन छोड़ के as loud as a car horn. This is simile. इसको underline कर लें. As loud as a car horn. Next, last line, like a dog without a bone. This is also simile. Underline it. Like a dog without a bone. Have you done? Now see, we are going to do this question number 7. We have to write the main idea of the poem. Question number 7. I will write the main idea of the poem on the board. Note it down from it on your books. Now see question number 7 on page number 23. बस just 2 to 3 lines का है ये main idea. What is the main idea of the poem? We have to write the main idea of this poem जो मैंने अभी ऊपर पढ़ी है. Okay, मैं थोड़ा बड़ा लिखूंगी ताकि आप लोगों को सीखना से नजर आ जाए. The poem. You have to do it with me ताकि आप लोग मेरे साथ साथ जल्दी काम करें. The poem tells of an argument between a boy and his mother. She wants to take away his phone, but he does not want to let it go. Okay, I am reading it again for you. The poem tells us of an argument between a boy and his mother. She wants to take away his phone, but he does not want to let it go. This is the main idea of the poem which is stated above. Write it down on your books. हम next आगे exercise करेंगे. When you are done, take out this page, page number 24. When you are done, take out this page, page number 24. This page, page number 24. I'm reading it again. The poem tells us of an argument between a boy and his mother. She wants to take away his phone, but he does not want to let it go. I hope आप लोगों ने लिख लिया होगा ये. I'm going to rub it and take out this page, page number 24. We will do this question number 9. ये नहीं करना 8 वाला. We will do question number 9 on page number 24. Question number 9. Question number 8 नहीं करना. We will do this matching question number 9. ठीक है. ओके थिंग, अब हम मैचिंग कैसे करेंगे? मैंने इस साइड वाले वर्ड्स लिख दिए हैं, बट आई एम नॉट राइटिंग ये वाले वर्ड्स, ये वाला कॉलम नहीं लिख रही मैं, इसकी नंबरिंग ले रही हूँ। जैसे ये नंबर 1 है, ये नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ये मैं नंबरिंग दे रही हूँ, उसके साथ मैं इनको मैच कर रही हूँ। ठीक है, तो आप भी इस साइड पे ऑन दिस ऑन लेफ्ट साइड अपने बुक्स पे नंबरिंग दे दें, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12। ठीक है, हरी आप भी साइड पे नंबरिंग ले लें, ताकि जब मैं वहां पे मैचिंग करूंगी तो आप यहाँ से नंबर 1 और यहाँ से नंबर जो भी होगा उसके साथ आप देख के मैचिंग कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है, because it will be a long thing to write all these words, all these columns, कि ये मैं सारा लिखूं फिर मैचिंग। I will just write the numbers of these columns, these words, ताकि आप इसको इसके साथ मैचिंग कर सको। ठीक है, now I am matching number 1 with number 7, which is already done for you. Number 1 with number 7, number 2 with number 5. Just hear my voice also. Number 2 with number 5. Clotting with, to stop flowing, number 5. Number 3 is Incian. Number 3 को मैच करें number 9 के साथ. Match number 3 with number 9. Number 4 with number 8. Number 5 with number 10. Number 6 with number 2. Number 7 with number 1. Number 8 with number 3. Number 9 with number 4. Number 10 with number 12. Number 11 को 11 के साथ ही. And the last 12th one with number 6. मैं फिर से ये नंबरिंग बोल रही हूँ. Number 1 with number 7. Number 2 with number 5. Number 3 with number 9. Number 4 with number 8. Number 5 with number 10. 6 with 2. 7 with 1. 8 with 3. 9 with 4. 10 with 12. 11 को 11 के साथ. 12 को 6 के साथ. Hurry up, do this. Have you done, everyone? Raise your hand if you have done. I am saying you raise your hand if you have done. Mubala, have you done? Zainab, have you done? Hamna, Abdul Subhan, turn on your camera. Filza, have you done? Shajil, Maisha, आप सबके कैमरे ऑफ है, turn on your cameras, everyone. Ashman, have you done? Okay, now take out page number 25. Take out page number 25. Form an adjective ending in AL from each of the nouns on the left. Check your spellings in dictionary, then choose two of adjectives and use one sentence each in a one sentence. Now we have to change the sentences by adding AL. ठीक है, AL ऐड करना है हमने वर्ड्स में ताकि ये फिर नाउन जो है वो एडजेक्टिव बन जाएंगे. I am doing it on the board for you. बोर्ड के ऊपर मैं ये लिख रही हूँ. Look at the board. I am rubbing this. Now we are on page number 25 and question number 10. इस साइड पे नाउन है and on the other side adjective. We have to change noun into adjective by adding AL. First one is done for you, like surgeon. So what it will be? Surgical. EON की जगह पे हम ICAL ऐड कर देंगे तो it will be surgical. Surgeon, surgical. Number 2, medicine. We will remove INE. It will be medical. Number 3, practice. We will remove just E and add A and it will be practical. Number 4, magic. अब इसमें हम कोई कुछ रिमूव नहीं करेंगे because it's not ending with E, it's not ending with ON. We will add AL. It will be magical. Number 5, technique. It will be technical. Number 6, fact. इसमें भी हम कुछ रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, just add AL. Factual, FACTUAL. Number 7 is physique. So it will be physical. Number 8 is nature. It will be natural. Surgeon, surgical, medicine, medical, practice, practical, magic, magical, technique, technical, fact, factual, physique, physical, nature, natural. I will send you homework on your WhatsApp. Have you done? Yes, Fatima. जी फातिमा.
टीचर
जी
टीचर हमने एयर लगाए हैं, वो कह रहे हैं ना कि उनके दो नाउन्स के लेकर उनका एक सेंटेंस बनाना है, वो
हाँ
नहीं
जी.
बनाने?
वो बनाना है, वो आपने खुद बनाना है. ठीक है. 2 नाउन्स ले ले कोई से भी, उनके सेंटेंसेस आप लोगों ने बनाने हैं. इट विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन योर होमवर्क. ये मैं आपको होमवर्क अभी सेंड करूंगी, तो आपका होमवर्क होगा. ठीक है.
लेकिन टीचर
जी
और टीचर जो हमने ये बनाया हमने नाउन के साथ करना है या फिर जो हमने एडजेक्टिव बनाया है उनके सेंटेंसेस बनाना है?
एडजेक्टिव्स, जो एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स है उसमें से कोई से भी 2 वर्ड्स ले ले और उनके सेंटेंस बना ले.
ओके
ओके. यस सुभान बेटा, 1 मिनट 2 मिनट.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर.
Walaikum assalam. We just have 3 minutes. Hurry up. What do you want to ask?
I want to ask when we will do reader question answers chapter 1.
Question answers. I will tell you later. We will decide whether we are going to do question answers or not.
And we didn't have chapter 9 question answers.
Yes, I will send you today chapter 9 question answers.
And teacher, I asked